it's me, Gene Farrell, back from 3U Skill with another quick tutorial for beginners. And today I want to show you how to draw stylized snow onto your object. So here right away in Cinema 4D, I have prepared a small scene. The first thing to draw snow onto our object is first we create a volume builder, then we create a volume measure, and then a subdivision object. The volume builder is a child of the measure object, the measure is a child of the surface object. Then I select here my object. I want to draw the snow onto it. So I select it. So there it has an FFD deformer and a subdivision surface object to subdivide it a little bit. Then I select the cube and then I need something to draw. In this case, I go to Simulate, Hair Tools and choose my Add Guides. And then I set the length to 0. The count 18, minimum spacing is good. Then I set a first stroke here. As you can see, he draws hair and hair guides onto this object. So I choose my hair and select my hair and drag it as a child to the under the volume builder. So nothing fancy happens. So I go to generate in the generate tab and then I deselect render hairs. And now I set in the type option menu, I set it to spline. And as you can see, he creates here a kind of snow. I give it my texture here, the snow texture. And to make it a little bit thinner, in this case a little bit thick, too thick, so I go to volume builder and add here in the smooth tab and dial and erode smoother. It's getting much bigger, so I decrease the values here a little so that it gets thinner. As you can see, the snow is shrinking and that's good for me. And also I can go into the volume measure and also shrink it a little bit down here. And that's it. And then I can select my hair, select everything, delete the guides and start again drawing. Maybe like here, I draw here, begin to draw here the snow, and that's it. That's everything you need to know about drawing. So then I fire up my Redshift render view. And as you can see, this is how it looks like when you draw snow onto your objects. So there's also another method how you can do this with the cloner object and maybe the shader effector and the Cinema 4D terrain shader. But this is the method how you can draw object onto your draw snow onto your objects. And yeah, I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And we see us later. Yeah, have a nice day.